Where is the mouse, Amma?
Ryan.
You know the
I
mouse?
don't know. You took your mouse and went. Mom, can I pause? I'm in chat.
இது என்னதுன்னு கேட்டேன். இது என்ன? இதெல்லாம் இப்படிலாம் வைக்காத இதெல்லாம் தொலைஞ்சு போயிடுச்சுன்னா ஒண்ணுமே இல்லை.
One thing. I'm in the middle of chapter 11 there.
மவுஸ் மட்டும் எடுத்துன்னா வரணும்.
Mom, I'm in the middle of chapter 11. Should I go finish it?
Yeah.
I'm in the middle.
Are you able to hear me, guys?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Good. Okay. Can we move on? Okay. Was the test difficult, guys? I heard the test was really difficult. Really?
Yeah, the test was kind of hard.
Difficult? Okay. Can I go ahead and see what was difficult about it? Shall we look? What was difficult about it? Thank you. Really appreciate it. Can we look at why was the test difficult? Sid, it was difficult for you too, right? That's what I heard, right? From your mom. Karthik, did you take the test?
Yeah, I took the test I think 7 days last week. I took it on March 28th.
Was it difficult, Amma?
Not really. It was pretty easy for me.
Oh, and Miss Priya, which test do you mean?
That's what I don't know. Each of you are saying one thing is what I
thought there were multiple tests.
Yeah, exactly. So that's something I really think we need to have the same consensus. Can I go to the Google Classroom? Can you show me what was difficult? Can we see, guys?
Yeah.
So let's first see what was difficult and then we'll see.
Hi, Miss Priya.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. We are going over the Google Classroom to understand what test was difficult, what test was easy, and all that stuff. Can we do that?
Yeah. My
Okay,
camera's not working and my iPad's dead, so.
Okay, can I share my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, will you guys educate me what was difficult and what was okay? Let's see. Here we go. Do you see my screen?
Yeah.
I honestly don't know what I'm sharing. Okay. So what was difficult here? Tell me. What was difficult? You know what? This is okay. No, I think I'm sharing the wrong class. I'm tired, guys, today. How about this? I had 5 class come in. I'm not sure if it's right. Okay, but I don't understand how they got the answer in the key. Okay, let me first go to her expressions and equations assignment. She is asking a question. Pranavi is not here. Okay, let's not do that. Then let's go to whatever your questions are. Come on, guys. Which one? Which test was difficult for Sid? Which test was...
On the EOC 2026 mock test 6.
Mock test 6 was definitely difficult. Okay. Mock test 2, how many of you did?
I spent so long on it trying to figure out some problems that I didn't finish all the questions, but I did more than 40.
I'll help, Ma. Absolutely okay, I'll help you. Is that okay?
Okay.
Some of the questions I made it difficult. You see, meaning it is important that we do some difficult problems and understand why. There should be a place where, it should not be like you know everything, right? If you know everything, then you don't have to study, right? So, yeah. So let's go back. The intent was not for you to know everything, honestly. Okay, you have to be there, like where you don't know something, then we work on it, right? So let's go to that test first. You're able to see, I don't know why it's making a mess, my mission. Okay, now you see, so we are going to go to mock test 2. I don't know how many of you did. It was due March 25th. Okay, admit Pranavi is there. Okay, I'm going to go into, why guys, if I click on it, my entire Google Chrome, oh my goodness, if I click on it, my entire Google Chrome is closing.
Glitch?
What?
Yeah, if I click on the test, my Google Chrome is closing. I don't know why, guys. Let me see.
Or maybe like you're taking it through like a test, because for me, when I took the test, it told me to close all of my tabs or something like that.
It didn't
That is,
tell. It
yeah,
just
that requires a full screen, Amma, but it should not be like it's closing the entire screen. Hold on, let me check. Okay, so I'm going to go into your mock test 6 again. Wait, let me see what is going on with it. Yeah, I'm able to. You know what? Yeah, I want you to use full screen. I don't want you to go to any other devices when you're taking the test, and that's why I wanted you to go full screen. Does that make sense?
I untied a big knot using a safety pin.
Nice. Okay, shall we do? Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. Let me go to the test. It's so hard, guys. Wait. That's hard. Give me a minute, guys. I don't know how to go to the test now. Okay, this was the test, right? What was difficult, Ma? Which question was difficult? Sid, I'm asking
I
you.
don't remember the question
It
exactly.
is so important to note down to come and ask, right?
It was inequality though.
Yeah, let's go through that. What is that was difficult?
Wait, Miss Priya, was the
Yeah.
test on like a dock like this? Or like, I don't know, like
This one was a different test. It was made intentionally tough. I wanted you to try this.
Okay, yeah, never mind.
Okay, which one was difficult, Sid?
The one with the it was like
Okay, let's go over this.
It was a lot of the inequality ones, but there was also one about a cheetah running.
Cheetah. Yes, I saw the cheetah. See, like that, if you can tell me what are the questions, there's no point in coming and saying the test was difficult. Okay, it's important that oh my god, you be accountable for what you're saying, right? If the test was difficult, then come back with questions and ask me, right? It can meaning you cannot say, oh, the test was difficult. Then what am I to do? I don't know what was difficult for you, right? So is it not your duty to come back with the questions, list of questions? Auntie, I did not know this question number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Can we go over this? So like that, I want you to write it down and come, Mama. Then only it's useful, right? How will I ever know what you found it difficult? One thing, if it is difficult for me, it might not be difficult for you. Let's see. So I will go to the Google form itself. I'm going to go over this. Pranavi, did you take this test, Ma? Pranavi?
The Google one?
The test number 6, Ma. See, there are name of the tests, right, guys? So you should know the name of the test, right? Are you seeing the grade 6 acceleration EOC?
Yeah, I did this one.
Okay,
Yeah.
great. Okay, the points were low actually. That's okay. At the end of it, my intent is not to make you get the best points. Okay. Okay, now let's go. Okay, let me go here. Which one is you? This one? Drapion is.
No.
Okay, so let's see. Oh, all this was difficult. Oh, wow.
That was not me.
No problem. I will go through these. Okay, one or two questions if we go through will be good for you. What happened to this said? A scientist is monitoring temperature of 4 different chemical reactions in Celsius. The temperatures recorded are these. Which of the following? See, you have to order the rational numbers, right? Why was that wrong?
Because negative 10 third is also like 2 and 1/3.
Ah, okay.
Uh,
So minus
3
3
and
by 4 minus 10 by 3 minus 3.4 minus 3.45. Is it in order? I don't know. Let's see. Correctly orders from greatest to least. Ah. Okay, let's see. Which is greatest to least? This is minus 3.25. What is this? Minus 3.33333. Minus 3.4. Minus 3.45. In negative numbers, the greatest is this, right? Which is to the rightmost of the number line. This one goes here, right? Then 3.4. Then minus 3.33333. Then minus 3.25. Rightmost is always the largest, right? This is the least. So it was A, right? Does that make sense?
yes.
Sid, do you understand? This is a very, very, very possible question in your CBE. Did you get it, Sid?
Yes.
Pranavi, how did you do, ma? Pranavi, how did you do? 1 minute, guys. I want to check each of yours, I feel. It's okay. If you're all seeing, doesn't matter. Pranavi, did you take this or not?
Yeah, I did. I don't know what emails about it.
Let me quickly check, guys. See, some of you have not taken the full test at all. But I don't see your answers. Why? Why I
I
don't see
do
your...
remember it. I did this one. I do remember it.
This one you didn't take it yet?
I did do it.
Okay. So, Sid, do you understand? This was a possible question you should have done. Have we not discussed this negative numbers? When you look at it, minus 2, minus 4, which is smaller, Sid?
Minus 2. Or minus...
Minus
yeah,
4
2.
is smaller. You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then what is this? Why did you go wrong here? Analyze the Venn diagram, classifying the real number, rational number. Okay. Which of the following numbers are correctly classified? Select all the... This is a very possible question. Minus 16 by 4 belongs to the integer subset. Is it true or false? 16 by 4 is minus 4, right? It is an integer subset.
But it says it belongs strictly in the integer subset.
Yeah, it does strictly belong to the integer subset, right?
But it isn't like every integer a rational number.
No, rational numbers are fractions. This is counting numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what do you have? Whole numbers where 0 get added. Then what do you have? Negative numbers get added here. Integers will contain all whole and counting numbers and also negative numbers. Negative whole numbers. Then what get added? That is rational numbers, which involves 1 by 2, 1 by 17, 1 by 8, 1 by 9, 2 by 3, anything. Or decimals where you know the repetitive pattern. If you know the repetitive pattern, it keeps on repeating, that is a rational number. For decimals that you don't know the repetitive pattern, they belong to irrational numbers. So, the set of irrational and rational numbers constitute real numbers. Sid, you've forgotten, really. Okay. Now, this is correct, right? What else is correct? Absolute value of minus 7.2 means what? 7.2. It is a decimal.
7.2.
Is it an integer?
No.
No. Then what else? 0.33333. That belongs to, you know the pattern of repetition, right? Belongs to integer, rational numbers. 0 is strictly in which subset? 0 is strictly in
Integer.
no.
Or
Natural.
Is it a natural number? Natural numbers start with 1.
Is it
Whole
irrational?
number.
Whole
number.
numbers. 0 belongs to the whole number. The innermost is what is valid. Here it starts with 1, 2, 3. Next one add 0 to it. This is where it belongs to. Now again, here it is integers. Integers means all of counting numbers as well as whole numbers. However, they are asking, see, it's classified strictly within the most specific smallest bounding set. So integers do count 0, 1, 2, 3 and all, and also minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. But the thing is, they want the innermost. Innermost that contains 0 is the whole number subset. Did you get it, Sid?
yeah.
Oh, guys, you need to be, meaning, you have to properly revise and then take these tests. And this is also very possible. You can get this. Evaluate the following. What is this? Help me out. Who is going to help me out with this? Who is going to help me out? Yeah, go ahead. Whoever wants to.
Ooh,
Do
I
I
can help. I can help. Like those lines are absolute value, right?
do the
Okay.
exponent first right here.
Go ahead. Go ahead, Ma.
Oh, okay.
Go ahead. I'm listening. Who wants to try? Okay, you want to try that first, Pranavi? Okay. I'll do my. You can shout out. So it's easy for you.
Okay.
You're also in the car, right? Yeah, it'll be easy for you. So let me do this. Okay. Go ahead with a 9.
Okay.
Times 9. You're going to say though. So now what you should do, Ma?
To make the
Maybe the absolute
do
value.
yeah.
What is it? What is absolute value? What happens to this?
So it's 7.
7, because minus 12 plus 5 minus 7's absolute value is 7. 7 times 9 divided by minus 7. Which one you should do first? Left to right, right?
7 times 9, 63.
3 divided by minus 7 is
Minus 9.
minus 9. Good job.
I put minus 9. It says it's wrong.
Who said you put minus 9? Did you remember? Do you remember that?
It's right there on question 5.
You think that is your answer, huh? I'm thinking that's the right answer. I don't know, Sid. I will check, Amma. I'm checking. Hold on. I paused the share because I'm going to my email, and if I show my email in a shared screen, YouTube blocks me. Okay, YouTube says you're sharing your personal information. I'll not let you post the video. Okay, so I'm going to take that on myself. Okay, I will reshare it. Okay, let me go ahead to my. Okay, so you did this grade 6, huh? When did you do, guys? Oh my gosh. What was the email ID from where you took, Kumar? Do you remember?
What?
What was the email ID from which you took that?
Drapion music or at gmail.com.
The problem is. Okay, I need to see. This was. When did you take? Do you remember?
1 p.m.
Today, huh? Today did you take them?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Do you have the results email with you?
It didn't say when I submitted it.
It didn't send you a result. You know what has happened? Today I was performing some testing with my coding skills. Okay, the email I lost quota. Okay, so it might not have sent you. That's okay. Okay, okay, let me go back to our screen. Okay, I will go one by one, guys. Okay, so now now you're going to go ahead and do this one. Okay, we did that one, and then what else? Okay, why don't you go ahead and do this one? I will put it on the screen now. I want you to do it in the class as well, because I'm seeing a lot of mistakes in this. Guys, there might be questions very much like this, guys, meaning I don't think these were tough questions. That's the feeling I get. See, these are all order of operations, right? It's not like we have not done. Can we please try this? 5 by 8 divided by 15 by 16, right? Divided by what? 2 by 3 times 9 by 4, right? So first parenthesis is taken into consideration. 5 by 8 times 16 by 15. 2, 3, 2 by 3 divided by 3 by 2. 2 by 3 times 2 by 3. Answer is 4 by 9. Any questions here? Sid, do you know this?
Yeah, that's what I put on the test.
Yeah, but see, the thing is, okay, 4 by 9 is correct though. How about, let's see this one. What is going on with this, guys? What is going on with this guy? You're all going to try this one, okay? I'm going to wait. A specialized 3D printer consumes plastic filament at a highly consistent rate. What is the consistent rate? 2 1 by 4 feet every 1 by 3rd of an hour. Operating precisely at this rate, calculate the exact length of filament the printer will consume if left running for a continuous 5.5 hours. What do we do? That's see, you know why this is difficult? This is a part of your 6th grade. But the numbers given are really very hard. The numbers given in this are really very hard. Yes, Sid, you have a question?
No, you said how do we do this?
Okay, you want to say? Or somebody can say. Yeah, you want to say? Go ahead and say.
It says that 2 1/4. It does 2 1/4 feet every 1/3 of an hour. So first you want to like, what I did was I got an hour. I turned that into an hour, so I did 2 1/4 times 3.
Correct, Ma. 2 and okay. Okay, fine. I'll go with you. Yeah,
I got
very
6
nice way.
3/4.
This is for an hour. Let me put it, Ma. 4 are 8, 9 by 4 times 3. So, yeah, 27 by 4 per hour, right? Okay,
Yeah.
then what, Ma? What did you do?
And then I turned it into a proper fraction.
Wait, Sid. Why do you want to turn it into a proper fraction? You want for 5.5 hours, right? You want for 11 by 2 hours, right? This is for 1 hour. For 11 by 2 hours, what should you do?
Multiply it.
Yes, that's it. You think you got it wrong?
I got what the example got actually.
297 by 8, did you get it?
Yeah.
54, 8 9s, 8, 6 8s are 7 8s are 56, 1 by 8. 37, 1 by 8 is what I'm getting. Express your answer as an improper fraction. So 297 by 8.
Miss Priya, is it 37 1 by 8 or
297 by 8 is how you have to give the answer.
oh
That seems right. See, Sid, it's not that you have not done well and all. Oh, you did not know how you did, is it? Okay. I'll help you with it. Okay. Those all, see, several of those answers you have gotten it correct. You know, when I share your screen, right, that will not show, because this is Google form, that will not show that you got them right. Because text-based answers, it cannot compare. You got it?
Oh.
Yeah. What else were your questions?
I On this one I didn't know. On question 11, I didn't know how to do the line above the number, so I put like the hyphen.
Okay, that is okay, ma. That is okay, but here there is a mistake, Sid. Guys, others also can rise up wherever you're not getting it right. I really want you to rise up and say, Auntie, I don't get it. Please, let's discuss. Arnav, you're not on the video. Izzy, you're not on the video. Video is a must in the class.
I told you how my video doesn't work, remember?
Oh, I remember. Okay.
Because the
Okay.
laptop,
Okay.
it's like, I don't know.
Sid, here there is a problem in the way you have entered the answer, Amma. The cryptographic algorithm relies on prime factorization. Very well done. Okay, this is exactly correct what you have done. But the problem is 2 times 3. See, you cannot write it as 2 times 3. You have to write it as a caret symbol, right? 2 power 3. The same thing will happen even if you do it online. A test at school. 2 power 3, 3 power 2. You know where is the symbol? Shift and the key 6. 6. Did you forget?
I didn't know I have to do it like that.
You have to. That's when you work with the computer, it's important. Yeah. Now, who did know about this? A standard 10 by 10 mathematical grid is used to model a benchmark percent. Exactly 3 full columns. So 10 by 10 grid means 100 grid, right? 100 squares are there. 3 columns are shaded, okay? And then along with 3 individual small squares are shaded. And exactly 1 by third of the final small square is shaded. So 1 by third of this is shaded. Okay. Now what is they're asking for the exact fraction, decimal and the percentage. So this is 10, 20, 30, 33 1 by 3. 33 1 by 3 out of 100. That means this is equal to 33 1 by 3 percentage. That you got it. Good job. You know what, Sid? There is a mistake in the way you have answered. I tell you. They've asked for the decimal first. They've asked for the fraction first. Great, you did that. Okay, and then they asked for a decimal. Okay, that is also correct. Yeah, 33 1 by 3, right? Divide by 100. So you put it down as Sid. This is the Sid, this is incorrect, Sid. Okay, who can correct him? Who can correct me? He has written 33 1 by 3. What is wrong about it?
I think it's actually supposed to be like
Seema.
33, like.
You know better. See? What should there be?
It should be, there shouldn't be a fraction in the fraction.
You got
it should be like 33.3 by 100.
Let's draw clearly. See, the thing is, it's so important to take your time, focus and do these things. Meaning, sometimes I feel like I gave you a hard test, okay? At the same time, these were not hard. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 33 and then 1 by 3 is shaded. So how many boxes are shaded? 33 1 by 3 out of 100. This is your fraction, but you cannot write fraction with a mixed number on top. How do you write this fraction, Pranavi? Jojo, you're muted, ma'am.
33.3.
But you can't have a decimal on top. What are you saying? That you can't.
Oh.
99, 100 divide by 3, divide by 100 by 1. How do you write it? 100 by 3 times 1 by 100. The fraction is 1 by 3, guys. Did you understand, Sid, the mistake you did? Oh my goodness. Pranavi, you also know, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, this test was really testing you, I tell you. When you're not focused, this test will not be fruitful. But this one is a very good test. You know what amount of time I spent to get this out? Yeah, go ahead.
I had a question on the cheetah.
Okay, let's finish this and go. Okay, so the fraction was 1 by 3. The decimal was what? 0.33333, Sid. And the percentage was 33 1 by 3 divided by 100. So it was 33 1 by 3% or 100 by 3%. Did you get it, Sid?
Yeah.
You understood the mistake here? Great. So this one was in writing. This one was with the understanding. 33 1 by 3 is not the fraction. You got it? 33 1 by 3 out of 100 was the fraction. So you cannot write it like this. You have to simplify that. It's a fraction division. So 100 by 3 times 1 by 100. You got it? Okay, now, Izzy, are you following? Sanskriti, are you following? Adrit, are you following?
Yes.
Tanishka, did you take this test?
No.
Why?
I forgot. I was doing the homework for like the benchmark stuff.
Okay. A cheetah is clocked running at an astonishing rate of, we'll do ma, 58 feet per second.
88.
Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry, ma. For some reason I said 58. Utilizing unit rates and dimensional analysis, proportions you already know. Convert this to miles per hour. I have to, ma, how many of these problems we have done in class? Feet per second, I'll have to convert to miles per hour. So there's a lot of conversion involved. Feet has to go to miles, second has to go to hour. Such a pain, I know. But I knew that it was a pain and gave you this test. So a lot of focus was required. Now, let's see. I don't know 88 feet in miles, right? But see, I gave you this.
Find out.
1 mile is 5280 feet. So you should find out. Please write feet and miles as two separate columns. I told you, right?
Divide both of them.
You put a question mark, right? Now what do? Leave that butterfly wing with the question mark. The other one is what you need to be bothered. So the answer would be 88 divided by 5280. That will be 44. Please take your time, simplify. Math is not that easy. This one would be 6, 4, 0. Again it is 11, 4, 6 are 24, 4, 6 are 24, 660. See, 1 by 60. So that is 1 by 60 miles. First let's put it. Now, we have 1 second. But you need to convert to hours. That you know, right? 3600 seconds will be equal to 1 hour. But you have 1 second. How to convert this?
Divide by.
What divide by what?
1 divided by 300.
1 divided by 3600. So convert that, write it down. 1 divided by 3000. But it's so messy. What did I get? 1 by 60 divided by 1 by 3600. Oh my gosh, you all know fraction division already. I don't need to teach you. 1 by 60 times 3600 by 1. That would be 60. So 60 miles per hour. Was that easy or hard?
Kind of. I mean, it's hard, but like with you explaining it, it's a bit easier.
But doable, right? How many problems like this? How many homework have we done on this? I myself really remember doing 3 different homework on this one. And the conversions are hard. I gave you a lot of exercises. So see, okay, for you to make it easy, right? Let me help you. 88 feet. Please write it down. You're going to convert to mile per hour. So the first conversion is separately you have to do. They have given 1 mile. Put the feet, miles in miles, feet in feet. 1 mile is 5280 feet. This is feet, this is miles. Okay, what do you need to do? 88, you want to convert this. Please leave this butterfly wing. 88 divided by 5280 is your answer. That was 1 by 60. Write it down here. Now similarly, let me finish. 1 second is how many hours? 1 by 3600. But I can't write this answer like this. My teacher will penalize me if I write an answer like this. This is fraction division, guys. Divide by 1000, 3000, 1 by 60 times 3600 by 1. Make sense?
Yeah. Miss Priya,
Yes.
can we do like a practice star for homework or something?
See, I gave you so many tests, right? Did you take all the tests?
I think I took one of them.
Did you take the 2025 star?
I practiced all of the stuff.
Miss Priya, can I share my screen and show you like
the star thing. For me, it's like has like this button, like the next to the link, and I click the link, and then this thing pops up, and it won't let me.
Sure. Can I finish this 17, 18,
Yeah.
19 and then go there?
Yeah.
I really want you guys to be able to do this. Okay, you all are comfortable, but the thing is, sometimes you feel like, oh, it's too hard for me, I don't want to do. That's not the way, right? Even if math is hard, we want to sit and do. A specialized chemical compound requires mixing 3 parts of solution alpha. Please write down 3 parts solution alpha. I don't know what is that, I'll write. Okay, for every 8 parts of solution beta. 8 parts. See what I'm writing? I don't know what I'm writing, but whatever is given, I'm writing. If a scientist needs to produce 132 liters, 132 liters he need to produce. Make sense? Okay. Now, 3 parts of this, 8 parts of this. 3 parts of this, 8 parts of this. So how many total parts? Meaning if I mix both, how many total parts will I get?
11.
11 parts I'll get. Correct? So let me mix. Let me mix this. 3 parts, 8 parts. I got 11 parts. Correct? 11 liters. Part means it can be liters, it can be anything. Anything, but both should be the same. So let me mix 3 liters, 8 liters. Then again, this is 11 already, 11 liters. Again, I'm going to mix another 3 liter, 8 liter. Another 11 liters. Again, I'm going to mix 3 liter, 8 liter. Another 11 liters. Like that, I have to come to 132. So how many of these will I get?
12.
36.
12. So 12 times 3, 36 liters of solution alpha. 12 times 8,
96.
96 liters of solution beta. So what they're asking, how many liters of solution alpha they're asking. So only thing is you have to go understand what is given.
How come it says wrong even though they put 36?
No, that's why I told you, right? The text answers will not show it as correct. Okay, but when it corrected, it would have corrected. You want to see? Let me show you. Let me show you whether it gotten you correctly or not. You want to see, right? This is question number 17, right? I'm going to check. Right away, I can check with you guys. Hold on. Let me
They got 9 questions wrong, and
1 minute, ma. I'm going to check, okay? No, you guys are doubting, right? So I will go ahead and check. Wait. Guys, I'm having a hard time with my Google Chrome. It simply crashes. Okay, I'll check, ma, because I don't want you to leave it like that.
Maybe you need to update your Chrome.
Maybe, ma. But after the class, let me do. For now, yeah, I'm able to access it. So let's see. Just give me 1 minute, okay? Yeah, grade 6 assessments. I'm checking, okay? I just don't want to leave it like that. Okay, so question number, what was the question number, ma? Do you remember the question number?
17?
17, huh? That is hard, guys. Hold on, I'm checking. What was the question about? Cheetah question, right? Cheetah was a text question, right?
Oh, cheetah?
It was solution alpha and
Alpha.
solution beta.
Solution alpha. Not this one. Solution alpha question, yes. Let me share this with you, then only you guys will. Let's see together. See, email, honestly, the problem was today I ran out of my quota, so it would not have emailed you. I was testing something else and it screwed. You're all my emails. Now, this one, right? What was the answer we arrived at, ma?
36.
36. 36 was marked right. Did you get it? And what else? There was some other question where you wanted to check, right?
5.
5, huh?
9.
Okay, I'll check.
No, 5 was the one.
-9 was correct, ma. Sid, you had that question, right? What, ma?
For me, I wasn't sure if I got 9.
4 by 9 was correct.
No, like number 9.
Number 9 you want to check? 297 by 8 was correct, ma. Got it? Got it? Okay, there you will not see in the Google form, you will not see because you know what, it is automated. Everything is automated. You will not see whether you got it right in that particular Google form. You will not be able to. Make sense? Okay, now let's go over what you wanted. What else you want? I can go over any questions, but please mark and come. I'm here to help you anytime. What do
I
you want to
wanted
do?
to show you like what the star thing
Yeah,
was doing.
yeah, please go ahead. If you have a problem with star question, please come back like this. Go ahead and share screen. I'm here to help you. I'm saying we have not learned anything today. I'm only clarifying all your doubts.
Miss Priya,
Yeah,
I have
go
a
on.
question.
Yeah, please.
On
Feel free
star
to bring
20.
all your questions now because we have done a good chunk of concepts. Only thing now you have to come up with questions and ask me. So bring anything that you have.
So the ones that aren't working
Yeah, go ahead, Ma. I'll help you.
are 2023, like math test form.
Go
I
ahead.
go into it
Mm.
and it just says unsupported browser.
Oh, I can help you with that. So basically, go back to like star release test, search that up. So scroll up, look higher. Yeah, and then it says star practice website. Scroll down.
What?
Scroll down into release question and stop there.
Good
Stop.
one. Yeah.
It says, yeah, right
Yeah.
there. Yeah. And then you can go and you click like, oh.
Okay, Pranavi, there's nothing related to it's not a problem. The problem is with your machine. Okay, go there to that website. Go there to that website. No, you have a problem with your machine. It's something your dad has to solve, not the
Oh,
class.
okay.
Go there. No,
Okay.
go there, ma. I'll help. I'll tell you what.
You should try using a different device.
Okay,
My dad tried.
wait, ma. See here. Unsupported, your current operating system and web browser are listed below. Either one of these are not supported. Okay, no, see, either you need to update your browser or you need to update your operating system. They will not let you do this. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, is
But
it
like
okay?
the other ones are working, like 2022, 2021.
Those are
Yeah,
working. It just
aren't,
depends, ma. It just
but those
depends,
are
ma.
PDF, they aren't site.
They are
Oh, Miss Priya, I have a question, or I have two questions on 2021 star.
Can you share your screen
Question.
quickly?
Well, I mean, it isn't. It's like on paper.
Okay, where is the paper? Meaning, see, I need to see it on the screen, right? How will I know otherwise you see?
I can open up 2021.
Yeah, I can open up too if you want me to.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, what do you
Can you
want
go
to?
to question 13?
Yeah, there's one bird that always
Question?
lives in our lawn.
That one, yeah.
Yeah, what is the question?
Yeah.
Okay, now I want everybody to solve. I want everybody to solve and tell me the answer. Dennis made an extra 245 for selling furniture. The extra $245 was 7% of the total value of the furniture. What was the total value of the furniture? I'll wait. I'll wait to get your answers.
Wait, which one is this? Like, what year is this?
Don't worry about it, ma. Please, we don't need to know the year. She brought up a question. I want every one of you to solve. Send the answer in chat. This is what is nice practice.
Okay, you can go to the answer key and see.
No, I don't want to go to the answer key.
No,
I want you all to solve the problem. Send the answer in chat.
No, for you, like to check the answer.
Oh, no, I'm good.
Okay.
Izzy, good question, Izzy. Good job, Sid. Sid, can I also tell something to make you feel better?
Yes.
Questions that come in your acceleration exam will be a little harder than this, little less hard than the one that I gave you.
Okay.
Makes sense?
Yeah.
Does it make you feel better?
Yeah.
A little,
Those
right?
ones were really hard, but this one was kind of
It's
easy.
too easy. That's what I'm saying. See, this is what to say. This is Mama Bear. That is Papa Bear. Somewhere in the middle, Goldilocks is what you'll get. You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because you can literally like get it with the process of elimination.
That won't be that easy, I tell you. CB won't be that easy. Arnav, how did you get it? Can you do it on the board?
I said my answer.
Is my answer correct?
Varnika, we have not learnt prisms and pyramids. Why, ma? Pyramids we have learnt.
Okay, I kind of forgot the area of it, so
Volume is base area times height.
okay, can
I
you
will
like write it down so I can like copy and paste it to my notebook?
Sure, ma. I will bring it up. Arnav, please do. Others, you're going to send it. Adrit, good job, Adrit. Easy. I'm going to ask you to do it on the board, easy. That means you're wrong. I'll help you because you are the one who asked me, right? So it is my duty to help you.
Okay.
Arnav, what is this, Arnav? 7% is 245. So how did you do? Arnav? Can I intervene, Arnav? Part by whole will be equal to x by 100, right? What is that? 7%. Put 7. 7% is what? 245. 245 is the part, right? You have to find the whole. How will you find the whole? 245 by W equal to 7 by 100. Remember? No. How will you find the W?
Doing
7 times 35. So 100 times 35 is the whole. What is it? 3,500.
Miss
Easy.
Priya, can I go to the restroom?
Yes, you can. Easy. Do you understand part by whole equal to x by 100? Did you forget, ma?
Yeah, kind of.
Any percentage problem can be solved using part by whole equal to x by 100.
Yeah.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, next question. What do you have? Tanishka, I didn't get your answer. What's going on with you, Tanishka? I cannot be asking one by one, ma. It's so important each of you answer. Kanishka, why are you not answering?
I was about to send it.
Okay. But send it, right? You had so much of time. Kanishka.
Also, question
Mm.
23.
Arnav, don't keep
What?
walking, Arnav. Class is on. Once you sit down, you have to sit down in the same place. Go ahead.
question what?
23.
23. Good. Sanskriti, you're not answering too. What's going on?
I thought I answered it. Did I not send it?
Okay, maybe. Wait. No.
Oh, I didn't send it.
Then how will I know? Okay. The length of the base of the parallelogram is 14 centimeter. Did you draw easy? And the corresponding height is h centimeters. What formula A? Find the area of the parallelogram. Area will be equal to what? I'm going to wait, guys. Area of the parallelogram. Sid, I want everybody to answer. That's what your acceleration exam won't be this easy. But I'm glad I see these questions you're bringing up. Very good job. What is the area of the parallelogram?
Well, I got the wrong question. It's supposed to be 25, not 23. My bad.
Yeah, we're doing 25, right?
Yeah. Ma 23 ma, why did you change ma?
It was the
Easy.
wrong question.
But that's okay. 23 let's do. They're all doing 23. You cannot shift now.
Not bad.
Go ahead.
Do this can be me.
I'm seeing
A
like
river parallelogram is half VH, right?
Okay. Area of a triangle is
Half
half
BH.
BH. A triangle is half BH. Parallelogram is BH. You have to remember these guys. So now tell me what is the answer to this.
B.
Sid, does it mean that it's too easy?
Yeah.
Teacher, did you say that this would be easier than the acceleration, or would this be harder than the acceleration?
This will be easier than the acceleration. Easy, correct, easy.
are we doing question 23?
Yeah, 23 is what we did.
I set
Can we
my
move?
answers for 23 and 25.
Yeah, can we move on to 25?
Wait, is it this? Is it this?
23 is B. Yes.
Okay.
25, move on to 25.
Let me get that.
Okay, which is not true. That was right, Sid. Sid, this won't be this easy. I tell you. Adrit, correct, ma. Okay, let's go back and review some of this.
Wait. Is it? Can I circle the answer?
Yeah, why not?
Is it this?
Tanishka has not answered. Tanishka, can you send the answer?
I did answer. I said mine.
Yes, I saw. Good. D is correct. Okay. Now I really want you guys to do a couple of financial literacy problems. 26, can you all do? 26, yeah. "26, I want to know what you think is the answer. Put the question number and answer, guys, then it will not be confusing for me.
6.
Miss Priya, can I go to the restroom?
Yes, please.
I said my answer.
I really want you guys to work on more challenging ones. Oh, yes, sir, now. Adrit, good job. Sid, very nice job. Tanishka, very good job. See, you guys are amazing. But
Wait, can I circle the answer?
Yeah. Questions
Is
become...
this? Is it not? Or is it? Is it F?
Yeah.
Wait, are we supposed to do 26 or 27?
26, 27. What is the total length of... no, 26, ma. I wanted to do only financial literacy. Now, any other questions that you all have on STAR, on anything else that we have covered thus far?
I don't have
No,
any question.
nothing
Wait,
else.
actually, I do. What I think like my math teacher told me that each year the STAR test, the questions get like harder or something like that.
True. It becomes harder with every year. Because your brains grow. With every generation, the brain grows. That's why they make it harder and harder. Go ahead.
But do you know how the questions will be like?
I gave you a test, right?
Yeah,
it'll be similar to that. Not the hard one. Test number 2 I gave you, right? It'll be similar to that. Make sense? Okay.
Test number 2 also be like the acceleration?
Oh yeah, test number 2, did you take it, Sid?
Yeah.
I want to see what was your score. Give me a minute. Okay, now I'm going to give you more questions, guys. Meaning literally I would go a little bit on harder stuff. Can I go with the harder stuff now? Let me see. I'm checking now. Sid, you have made some mistakes. You need to work on those definitely. Okay, your acceleration exam will be similar to test number 2. Okay, there will be a plus or a minus 5 in that exam. That's all will be your acceleration score, honestly telling you. Did you get it?
Miss
Did you get
Priya.
it, Sid? Did you get it, Sid?
Yeah.
Yeah, so given your score, I'm a little worried because why did you make mistakes on that? What did you not understand? Sanskriti, did you take question number, test number 2? Sanskriti, did you take question number 2, test number 2?
No, I don't. I did not.
Why, guys? Okay, Kanishka, did you take test number 2?
No.
Why? Tanishka?
Yeah.
Is it okay if I do it like later instead of like right now because I didn't have the time to do it?
You can, ma, but the dates are done, right? Deadlines are done, right? Can I take the screen? I'm going to work on harder questions. Can I take the screen?
Priya, also, like, for these mock tests and stuff, will we have any more for, like, this year?
If you want, I can give you. Why? Why? You have enough?
I can't hear you. You're breaking.
No, you have enough, right?
Yeah.
Let's see, 45, 52. Why these questions were hard, I'm thinking. That was not difficult, right? Let me see, what was question number 45? I'm going to bring up something, okay? 45, 52. Looks like 45, 52 was hard. Why? Today I'm only dealing with all your questions. 45, 52. What is going on with this, guys? Let me show you this on the board. Come on, try this out. See, this type of one question will definitely come. Yeah. The basic checking monthly fee at financial institution B will only be more than when the customer's balance. Yeah, I want you to send the answer to me. Did you get it?
I got it. I think it's.
No, please send the answer. Everybody is working, right? Thank you, ma.
I'm still like reading the question.
No problem. Please take your time. I didn't mean to urge you at all.
Oh, Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma.
I sent my answer.
Okay, I do see a lot of issues. Okay. What is the answer, ma?
I already sent mine.
Tanishka.
I said.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. What was the question number 45, right? This was question number 45. Okay. Okay, let me go over this, guys. Let me see. Okay, the table shows the features for checking and checking about a particular bank. Okay, two particular banks. Okay, the debit card of financial institution A will always cost less. Debit card is 5. This is none. This is not making sense at all. Financial institution A, debit card is going. Oh, debit card. Oh, transaction fee is none. See, that's a little different. So, debit card at financial institution A will always cost less. You can't say that. Let's see. 5 plus none. This is 5 plus none. This is none plus 0.05 per transaction. So, if you do 100 transactions, that will also be the same cost. And if you do 101 transaction, automatically, if you do less than 100 transactions, definitely this is costing you more. So this is not making sense at all, because if it is less than 100 transaction, A will cost more for debit cards. If it is more than 100 transaction, financial institution B will incur debit card cost more. So this is not making sense. The basic checking monthly fee at institution B, okay, will only be more than A when a customer's balance is more than 1,000. Let's say I have $2,000. What is happening? This will charge $10 per month. This is 1% of the monthly account balance. 1% means what? This is $20. They're saying the basic checking monthly fee at financial institution B will be more than A, okay, when a customer's balance is more than 1,000. Let's call for 1,000. Yes, if it is exactly 1,000, this will charge $10. If it is $1,001, it will be $10.1. Yes, the basic monthly fee at financial institution B is more than A only when the customer's balance is more than 1,000. That's correct. But I won't stop here. I will have to check the rest of the answers as well, because sometimes I may make mistakes, right? So why don't I go there? Let me go there. This seems correct to me. Okay. Now, debit card at financial institution A. Okay, debit card at financial institution A will cost more. No, I can't say that. Will always cost more. No, it need not necessarily be, because if we are making 200 transactions, let's say, if it is 200 transactions, what would happen? You're going to multiply this by 200. When you multiply this by 200, it will be $10. Here, if you make 200 transactions, it will just be $5 because there is no transaction fee. So, in that case, A will not be more, A will be less. So, this is not making sense. The basic checking monthly account fee at financial institution B. Yes, Pranavi?
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yes. At financial institution B will only be more when a customer's balance is less than 1,000. Let's say exactly $1,000. What is happening to the basic checking fee? We already did this. So this is always $10. This is actually $10 for $1,000. If it is $2,000, it will be 1%, right? That means it's $20, right? If it is, let's say, $100, means 1% means what? $1. Right? What are they saying? Here it is always 10, here it depends. The basic checking monthly fee at institution B will only be more than financial institution A when a customer's balance is less than 1,000. No, it's more than 1,000, right? So this is also not making sense. Answer is B. Did you guys get it? Sid, did you understand where's your mistake? Clear, huh? Math star is April 21. Okay, ma. You're all prepared, guys. Arnav, that's not correct. Did you see that? Sanskriti, that's not correct. Did you see? Arnav, that's not correct.
I didn't notice that. I realized that when you were checking it, I realized the mistake I made.
Varnika, that's not correct. You'll have to calculate, guys. Sit and calculate. Where are we missing? Because you just need to find out percentages, right? If it is more than $1,000, if it is less than $1,000, if it is just $1,000, everything you need to do and check if it is 1% of monthly account balance. You have to do all the three cases. You got it? Sid, are we clear?
Yes.
Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay, looks like we are lagging on this. Okay, let's see. Let me give you more problems. Okay. 334. Let me see. How about these questions? How about this? Prism. She asked me for question for Varnika wanted me to go over this. I am going to go over this. Go ahead. Go ahead. I'll go over this. Go ahead, guys. Archie built a large model of Rubik's Cube with a side length of 27 inches. The original Rubik's Cube has a side length of 3 inches. I know what mistake you guys did. Okay. Yeah, I know where you'll make a mistake. That's why they gave you this side length of 3 inches is to deceive you, is to make you go wrong. So how many smaller Rubik's Cube will fit into the larger model? What do you think? Tanishka or Kanishka? Explain this problem. Explain the problem, ma.
Is it like you divide the 27 by 3?
You divide the 27.
So like the original Rubik's Cube is like the smaller one?
Okay. RK built a large model with a side length of 27. The original was, okay, how many smaller Rubik's Cube will fit the larger model? How many smaller Rubik's Cube will fit the larger model? See, this, yeah, that is correct. So how will you do, Tanishka? The bigger model has a side length of 27. How do you find the volume of the bigger model?
So,
how do you find the volume of the bigger model?
Cube. So like you do the formula for the
volume is base area times height, right? What is the base area of the bigger model, ma Varnika? What is the base area of the bigger model?
So it's by 27 and 9 because there's 9 blocks every like.
What are they saying? This is a 3 by 3 by 3, right?
Mm-hmm.
They're saying the larger built a large model with a side length of 27. The larger model has 27, 27, 27. So what is the base area?
27.
Are you saying the height is like 27, 27, 27?
My side length is 27 means it's a cube, right? Cube has all the sides equal, right?
Side length would be 27.
Huh.
So the height would be 27.
Good. Height would be 27, 27, 27. So what will be the base area?
27 times 27.
27 times 27. Height will be 27. That will be the volume of the bigger cube, right? Now you're going to put this. What is the volume of this small cube?
Oh, I thought you were saying 27 times 3 instead of 27 times 27 times 27.
How can it be 27 times 3, ma? Base area times height.
That's what I thought you said.
So the bigger volume is 27 times 27 times 27. Now, what is the volume of one cube of this? What is
27?
27. 3 times 3 times 3, right? So how many of these will go in? So you need to divide it by the volume of the smaller cube. So how many cubes will go in? Hmm. 27 times 27 times 27 divide by 27.
Oh.
What is the answer?
729.
729. Good job. That's the answer. You all got it?
Yeah.
So it's not just 9. You see what I mean? See, let's say I have a cube 8 times 8 times 8. Okay. I'm going to put 2 times 2 times 2 cubes in it. Meaning what is 2 times 2 times 2? This is a 2 times 2 times 2 cube, right? This is a 2 times 2 times 2 cube, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to put this cube into a bigger cube which is 8 times 8 times 8. How many cubes will fit in? The total original volume of the bigger cube divided by the volume of the smaller cube. What is it?
You would do
What is the answer?
Wait.
Wait.
64 divided by
No,
8.
No, 8 times 8 times 8 divided by 8, right?
The answer is 64.
500.
Answer is 64. Cubes will fit in. 8 divided by 8 is 1. Okay, let's do some more problems in this. Looks like there's a problem. Suppose if I have a cube, let's say the base of the cube is 18 units by 18 units. Okay, it's a cube. I'm talking about a cube. You got it? Make sense, guys? Okay. Now, how many 2 by 2 by 2? Smaller cubes are 2 by 2 by 2. How many of these smaller cubes will go inside that? Tell me, guys. I'll wait. Please send the answer in chat. I really need the answers. I'm glad we are discussing these now.
Could you repeat the question?
I have this cube. I have this cube. Okay. How many 2 by 2 by 2 cubes can be fit into the bigger cube? Try, guys. You're going to try, please. Do you guys get it? Good job, Sid. Arnav. That's not correct, Arnav. Adrit correct. Tanishka, it's incorrect.
Wait, I didn't send anything.
Who didn't send anything? Tanishka?
No, me. Adrit.
Adrit, okay.
Wait, was that the answer? Because I sent it like.
No, I won't say. Go ahead.
Is my answer correct?
Adrit, you have to send it again. Good job, Karthik.
Like, give me some.
Yeah, please. Please take your time, at the same time send it. Sid, did you get it now how to do these problems?
Yes.
No.
No? I'll help
I'm just
you.
kidding. No, that's okay. It's okay. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
No, if you didn't get it, it's important that we go back and review, ma. There's nothing wrong.
No. I was just kidding. I get it.
Okay, that's good. Even
I
if
was
you didn't
just
get it,
joking.
it's okay, lady. Go ahead.
I know that it's okay.
Mhm.
Because that's like the point of class, but like, you know.
Okay, nice, easy. Adrit, that's right, but did you understand, Adrit? Okay, Tanishka, can I get your answer, ma?
Yeah, I'm doing it again.
Uh-huh. Sanskriti, can you explain how?
Wouldn't we do 18 divided by 2?
What is the volume of the bigger cube?
The volume of the bigger cube, that'd be 18 times 18.
Good. Can you write it on the board? Do you want me to write it on the board?
Can you, if that's fine?
Yeah, I can. So the volume of the bigger cube is what, Sanskriti? Tell me. 18 times
18 times 18.
No, that's the base area. What will happen to the height? Times 18.
Since it's a cube, it'd be all symmetrical. So then 18 times 18 would be the base.
So how many of the smaller cubes will fit in? What is the volume of the smaller cube?
The volume of the smaller cube is 8.
Yeah. Now, Sid, can you explain further?
You need to multiply. You need to find the volume of the bigger cube and then divide it by
We
8.
already did it, right? That's on the board. Can you explain from there? Were you listening?
Yeah. So then 18 times 18 times 18. That equals
No. You don't need to do that. You can just cancel, right? You can simplify, right? This is 2 times 2 times 2, right? 18 by 2 is a 9. 18 by 2 is a 9. 18 by 2 is a 9. 9 times 9 is 81. 81 times 9 is 729. Got it? That's the easy way. Okay, I'll give you more questions. We will discuss at random some of the difficult questions, okay? Let's see. Now I want to know about let's see. 1 minute, guys. How about this? I'm giving you random problems that seem to be hard. See, fraction division, you should be very thorough. Okay, if you make mistakes on fraction division, it's hard. Which statement about 3 by 4 multiplied with 16 by 5 is true? Which statement about 3 by 4 multiplied by 16 by 5 is true? Think about it. See, 3 by 4, whatever be the number, right? 3 by 4, when you multiply it with 16 by 5, what happens to it? Is 16 by 5 greater than 1? Is 3 by 4 greater than 1? Like that you need to compare. When you multiply by a number that's greater than 1, the number actually increases. When you multiply by a number less than 1, the number's value decreases. So that is the basic concept. What is that, Sid? I don't understand the meaning of that emoji.
Oh. Where? Oh, that.
You're bored, you're frustrated. What does it mean?
I have no idea. I just found it.
Okay. Go ahead and send this to me.
Okay. I have it. I'm just typing it.
Arnav, will the Seema. Okay, I think
Is
this.
my answer correct?
I'll check, Amma. Sanskriti, good job, ma'am. Varnika, I'm waiting for your answer. Who else sent it?
I sent mine.
Pranavi, that's correct.
I sent mine.
Sid, that's correct. Adrit, that's correct. See, guys, please understand this, okay? See, when there is a number 2, okay, 2 is a nice number, okay? So, the thing is, if you multiply 2 by a number less than 1, 4 by 4 is 1, 3 by 4 is less than 1.
It's going to be less than 2.
Yeah, this one is going to be less than 2. Let me finish, ma'am. If you're going to multiply by a number less than 1, the value of your original number becomes less. If you're going to multiply by 4, our original number is always 2. Okay, multiply by 4, it becomes 8, which is greater than this 2. You're multiplying by 4. So basically, what happens? 8 is greater than 2, right? Similarly, if you multiply the 2 just by 1, what happens? It stays the same. You got it? So, let's say the 16 by 5. Is it greater than 1 or less than 1 or now? 16 by 5 is greater than 1 or less than 1 or now?
It's greater than 1.
It's greater than 1. 16 by 5 is really greater than 1. However, 3 by 4 is less than 1 or greater than 1?
Less than 1.
Less than 1. Now you're going to multiply 3 by 4 and 16 by 5. So what happens is 16 by 5 number reduces its value. Right?
16 by
Wouldn't you cancel out 4 and 16 because 4 and 16 becomes 16, so then
Yeah, but I don't
4
want
and
you,
1.
you don't need to verify this at all. You don't need to do the calculation here.
It's just that
you have to go with the
3/4 is-
concept here. Okay, when you think about it, right? Let me finish. If you want to explain, I'll move. You can explain as well. I'm fine with it. But when I'm explaining, I would expect you silence. When you explain, I'll keep quiet. Okay. So now 3 by 4 when it is multiplied by 16 by 5, what happens? The number, let's say the original number is 3 by 4. If you multiply by 16 by 5, which is greater than 1, the value becomes greater than 3 by 4. Make sense? Now let's compare with 16 by 5. Let's say the original number is 16 by 5. That number you are multiplying by 3 by 4. What happens?
It's going to be less than 16 by 5.
Less than?
16 by 5.
Good. It will be less than 16 by 5. So our answer, this is our answer, is greater than 3 by 4 but less than 16 by 5. Make sense, guys?
Yeah, you can,
Go ahead.
16 by 5 is also equal to 3 and 1/5.
I don't want you to multiply, guys. That's not what is intended here.
No, like 16 by 5 is like as a mixed number.
Yeah. That is 3 1 by 5. That's what we already said, that this number is greater than 1. That's what we already discussed. So if this is your original number and you're going to multiply that by 3 by 4, which is less than 1, the answer will be less than the original number. Can I move on?
Yes.
Okay, how about this? Another question. How about this one, guys? This one, you just need a little bit of focus when you do the problems. These questions are not hard, but they're a little tricky if you don't read them properly. Try this one. Please, all of you answer in chat. Jonathan is playing a game on a rectangular board that measures 60 centimeter by... See, the measurement are all different. You need to be very careful. You need to be very careful.
Is there supposed to be answer choices for this one?
Do you want Ma, Pranavi? I'll give you. I didn't want to give you, but that's okay. Go ahead. Something feels wrong to me. It's closer to the... Oh, perimeter, huh? Oh, I didn't see that.
Is my answer correct?
I'll check, Mom. That's correct, Sid. Varnika. Yes, ma'am.
I didn't send anything.
Oh, you didn't? Okay, wait. Then I saw somebody else. Somebody else. Okay. Tanishka, I'm checking, ma'am.
That's not mine.
I said my
2 plus 1, 2.
I
Okay.
just sent
Tanishka, you got it right, ma. Adrit, did you send?
yeah.
That is right. Pranavi, that's incorrect. Pranavi, can you do it on the board, ma? Kanishka, that is right. Did you send Kanishka? Kanishka and Issy got it right. Sid, I'm waiting for your answer. Karthik, you got it.
I just sent it.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, that's right. Now, Pranavi, can you do it on the board, ma? Oh, guys, remember, guys, next week we don't have class, but the following week we have class. Okay, more questions.
Why do we not have class?
Ma, next week it's blue in the calendar, ma. I will be in PST. Okay. So, yeah, that is why we what to say, we tried making it up this week and last week. You understood?
What is PST?
PST is Pacific time.
It's Priya.
Yeah, actually,
Would you?
my older daughter is going to college this year, right? So we want to go and visit the college before making a decision. Okay, so I really want to go and see the one of the meetings is for the parent that day. So I really want to attend that. That is why I had to cancel. I wasn't sure. Okay, before the results came. Results came only 2 weeks back, right? So based on that only I can decide, right? But expecting all that, I had set up the calendar and made it as blue. You got it? Okay. What
Would
is
you
it?
have to multiply 2 by 60 and then 450 by 2 and then
Lady, perimeter, ma. See, perimeter means what?
yeah.
This is 0.6, this is 0.4, right?
Oh, okay.
Perimeter means what?
Um,
0.6, 0.6, 0.4, 0.4, you're just going to add, right? 2.0 is your answer. That is near what? This one. You got it?
mm.
Yeah, it was so deceptive, right, Pranavi? I know it was deceptive for me too. I made a mistake first. I was calculating area and was wondering why it is not in the answer. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. How about this? Yeah. Yama? See, whatever I think is hard, we are working out. Go ahead. Which expression is not equivalent to 6x? That's a multiplication. One thing, guys, please understand. If the dot is above, then it's multiplication. Okay. If the dot is on the line, right, it is a decimal. Always remember that, okay? Make sense?
Is my answer correct?
Yeah, I'll check, ma. Is not equivalent to 6x, huh? I don't know. I feel like everything is equal to 6x. Please send the answer or say it as 1 and then say the answer. Who sent the answer?
Me.
Yes, Pranavi, that's right.
Okay.
I'm waiting for all other answers. If you send it, please shout because you're not putting the numbers. So
I sent my
I
answer.
have to go.
yeah, ma, you can go, ma. We're done. Yeah. Some of the difficult answers I've discussed. Sid, particularly test number 2, whoever. Sid, correct. Karthik, correct, ma. Tanishka, did you send, ma?
Yeah, I sent my answer.
That seems incorrect. Why, ma, Tanishka? 6x times 1 by 6 is what, ma? 6x times 1 by 6 means what? 6 and 6 will get cancelled, numerator, denominator. It will result in x which is not the same as this. You got it, Tanishka?
I didn't put A.
Yeah, Yeah, it's not equal, right? Did you see that? You didn't see the not, right? This is a common mistake in STAR. Okay? You have to read the problem. Not equal they have given. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll stop here. What questions? What else you have? Done? Okay. I'll see you all week after next. But I'm going to give you some strong assignments, okay, for you to be reviewing all the grade 6 benchmark. Can we try?
Okay.
Okay, guys. Nice seeing you all today. But Sid, very nice. You brought up so many questions. Izzy, very good job. Izzy is gone. She did a great job of bringing all the questions to me. Similarly, anybody who has a question on anything that you work on at home, please bring it to class.
Okay.
Make sense? Sid, we worked on several of your mistakes in test 2. Test 6, you might want to sit and explore a little bit more because I have not discussed all the questions. Make sense? Okay. Karthik, Adrit, Tanishka, Varnika, Kanishka, Arnav, please work on the test number 6 and 2 without fail.
I thought I did it.
You did it, na? Great.
It said I had no access to it. That's why I didn't do it.
Then you need to request.
Okay.
If you don't have access, it's always that you need to request. Okay. Any questions?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I actually had an artwork, but I forgot to bring it. I'll show you.
Next, yeah. Next week after next, right? When we have the class, please.
Yeah, I'll show you my
Week
art.
after. Yeah.
Okay?
Thank you, Ma. I would really love to see.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Hey, 5 minutes, guys. 3 minutes. Okay, I'll be back. Was the questions difficult or doable, Ma, for the homework?
I didn't finish everything in the book yet, so I didn't get to upload it. The SAT problems were easy, and the other ones were also easy.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. Give me 2 minutes, I'll be back. Do you all have access to that SAT test from College Board, meaning sample test that they have provided or not?
Where do we find it?
Good question. Hold on,
So we
let me
took
check.
PSAT in 9th grade, right?
What PSAT did you do?
I didn't do any PSAT yet.
Then you did PSAT, you just now said. Did I make a mistake?
No, like, do we do PSAT in 9th grade?
Yes, but ma'am, okay. I want you to understand a couple of things. The thing is, see, there's a PSAT 8, 9. Okay. There's a PSAT 10 or PSAT NMSQT. To be honest with you, I don't know what is the difference between the two. Okay. I really don't know what is the difference between the two because I have not analyzed this. Okay. I know about all others. Okay. I don't know what is this. Okay. But I think it's similar to PSAT and MSQT. Let me explain these. Okay. Then you have the SAT. Okay. You guys, some of you are in 8th, some of you are in 9th. Right. The thing is, please videos on. Okay. Now, the thing is, Plano ISD conducts this. Plano ISD conducts this test for 9th graders. This test, the core of algebra is tested. The core of algebra 1 is tested. It's not a big one. You can take it in 4th grade, you can take it in 5th grade, you can take it. But many schools have stopped administering PSAT 8-9. Frisco ISD has stopped administering PSAT 8-9. In your 9th grade, as far as I know, they give you PSAT 10. But you have to check with your counselor and let me know. this is definitely higher than this, meaning you have more of algebra, geometry, algebra 2 here in this part. Okay, the thing is, this one, right, the PSAT NMSQT, only that is the test which you can take it in 10th or 11th. I don't know how your ISD, how your school does it. Okay, in the place where I am in, this test only 11th graders can take, and only once they can take. Okay, only one time you can take, and only in 11th. The 10th graders will not be allowed to take this test. Why? And only in 11th you are allowed to take here. Why? Because this test, the score, I think it is for 1540. Okay, the score whatever you get goes for National Merit Scholarship. Based on your score, they filter you out for National Merit Scholarship. Okay, please understand, if you get a full score on this, suppose if you get 1540 out of 1540 in 10th or 11th, I don't know how your ISD assesses. You have to ask your counselor. Okay, will they take your 10th score, or will they take your 11th score, or will they take the best out of both? I don't know. That you have to check with your counselor, because each ISD takes it differently. Okay, so if you take this PSAT NMSQT and score, let's say let's say I am taking your 11th score. 11th you got 1540. Okay, a full score on this lets you go from your school. You will be represented. You will be nominated for the National Merit Scholarship. Okay, the thing is, they will filter you out. There are several rounds. Okay, each and every round has one more essay added, or one more transcript added. It keeps on going. Okay, you will have to reply to all your emails that comes in. Finally, if you win the National Merit Scholarship, right, around 7,000 kids, right, if you win that, meaning just by getting a score of 1540 doesn't help. Okay, essays, after that there are several rounds. Okay, then they will list out semi-finalists. 16,000 semi-finalists will be listed, and then in that they'll select 8,000 or 7,000 finalists. In that, 600 or 700 get the National Merit Scholarship. This will give you $2,500 for each person who gets this. You get it? But it has a lot of rounds to it. In addition to it, if you are applying to colleges like Texas A&M or UTD, they will give you the major that you want. And there are some scholarships, meaning there are some monetary awards that you can get in these schools if you become this, or this. Make sense? Are we clear with this? So that is the that is the significance of PSAT and MSQT. However, after you do this, for your final college admission in 11th grade, right, 12th grade, right, in your 12th grade, you will have to send, there are several colleges that has made again the test mandatory. So SAT, you will have to send the scores of SAT to the colleges you are applying usually. Make sense? Some of the colleges ask you to self-report your score. Some of the colleges ask for proof of the score. Make sense? Yeah. So the other choices, instead of SAT, you can take the ACT. Okay. There are some kids that take the SAT. There are some kids that take the SAT or ACT. Okay. There are some kids that meddle with both. They want to know which one I'm good at. Okay. The problem with choosing these is, one thing understand, this is time crunched a little bit. Time crunched on math and all. Time crunched on math. Okay. This is, whoever has done the competitive math find this very easy, because this is math heavy. Okay. Math heavy in the sense it's not heavy. Heavy is different. Okay. The way I see heavy is different from your heavy. Okay. Thing is, it's a teeny tiny bit more crunched for time in math. So that's why I'm saying math heavy. Whereas SAT is more English heavy. Okay. You can make the choice. Each of us can be good in one, need not be good in one. Okay. I may be good in ACT, you may be good in SAT. I don't know really. You see what I mean? I have not attended both, so I am not the person to say. But this is slightly math heavy. Slightly math heavy in the sense it's not heavy. But please understand, you will have to do more. It's like algebra to CBE where you're given 73 questions in the same time as you did 43. It's like that. That's the only difference, okay? But this is not English heavy. This is not English heavy. This is English heavy, but not math heavy. Math is manageable. Time is manageable. Okay.
Is the ACT a fair subjects too, or is it just math?
Come again. Oh, yeah. One another thing. See, the main difference is right now I don't know. Okay, they took this out is what I'm hearing. But till last year they had science component as a part of ACT. Okay, so the kids that were confident of the science concepts, right? They wanted to take this. You see what I mean? They want to take this. But I did hear that this has been taken out. You have to verify that. Okay, every year it changes, everything it changes. SAT early on, they had a calculator, non-calculator section. Okay, now the thing is, everything has been made calculator section. So that also makes it easy, right? Easier. So it depends on each of you to choose whatever you want, okay? But the thing is, before 8th grade, if you take the SAT, or in 8th grade if you take the SAT and C, College Board will not send that score to colleges. Make sense? Once you move out of your 8th grade and try to take the SAT, those all count for the number of attempts you take. Make sense? From my end, my personal perception is nobody should be taking multiple times. Okay, but that's not how College Board or the colleges say. They're saying you can take multiple times. Any number of times you can take. Only thing is you'll be wasting parents' money. The more number of times you take, the more number of times you have to pay for the SAT exam. You got it? So I would not advocate anybody to take more than once. Okay, but sometimes after you attend, you'll feel like, oh my goodness, I deserve a better score. That is the time when you'll think of attempting twice. But please, not more than 2 is my humble request to you all. Study well and do. Why waste the money there? Don't take multiple attempts. But I've seen kids who take it 5-6 times. Okay, so now what other questions you have? So choose wisely. Choose this or this. Colleges don't require both is my humble thought, okay? There are so many kids that take both and try to wet their feet in both. Okay, so whichever you think you are good at, take the paper. Suppose if you're not sure, Auntie, I don't know what is this ACT, what is this SAT, okay? There is a Princeton review. There is a Princeton review book, okay? Every year they release a new book based on that year's rules. Or there is Kaplan. Or there is Barron's. Okay, these three are the famous 3 books which will be published every year based on that current year's rules. So buy the new one. Don't buy the old or the used ones because so many rules change every year. So choose one of this. The thing is, they have for ACT, they have for SAT. That's the problem. They have for ACT, they have for SAT. They also have for ACT, they have for SAT. So it's just that you wisely choose one of this. Meaning if you want to try out the SAT, try Princeton Review SAT, Princeton Review ACT. See the question papers. Which one are you comfortable with? You can decide based on that. Buy ones, definitely you buy both the books. Or you buy both Kaplans. Or you buy both Barron's. Then see the question paper. They will have 3 or 4 mock tests in each of the books. So from the marks itself, you can judge for yourself which one am I good at. Just because your friend is good at doesn't mean that you have to be good in the same thing. Okay, each of your brains are different. Meaning this is so customized. Okay, so you decide for yourself. Then you will be, meaning you'll get the full score. Okay, getting a full score is quite important. Full score means you don't see. For SAT, nobody will, what to say, they mean you are nobody, nothing will bring you down if you get 20 points less or 30 points less. Okay, but something above, definitely you have to get above 1.5. I don't know what is the max score. For ACT, I'm very aware, okay, because I have, meaning my daughter didn't take ACT, so I don't know. But ACT, some 36 should be easy. 36 or 35 should be easy. It is scored out of a 36. Okay, 36 or 35 is very easy to score. In ACT, anything above 1500 is better. Okay, on the top end of 1500 is better. Okay, 1560 like that. 1540. Let me check what is the max score in SAT.
It's 1600.
Oh, 1600. Okay. See, that's what. So the top end of 1500. Top end means above 1550 is good. Any questions? Okay, so I think these are important to do for you all. It is important to do it in 9th grade or 10th grade. Okay, so definitely do these guys. Okay, so when it comes to your college admissions, your GPA plays a major part. Whatever GPA that you get in school, right? And if your school is a school that ranks you, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, some schools rank, right? If your school does rank you, coming in the top few is quite important to get a better college. Okay, because at the end of it, all the top 10 are going to apply, all the top 20 are going to apply, all the top 100 are going to apply. What is going to differentiate you? The rigor that you take, meaning let's say you and your friend get 5, it's for 6, your GPA is for 6, right? Let's say both of you get a 5.9, 5.9, 5.9. What is going to differentiate you? The rigor that you take, meaning you might have taken AP BC calc. Okay, friend might have taken AP AB calc. Automatically, who gets more weightage? This person who gets this gets more weightage. Make sense? But you know what? Suppose if he scores an AP calc, AB calc, he scores a 5. Okay, let's say I score a 3. Who's more valued? Definitely this person is more valued. You got it? So these things play a part. So whatever you do better. Okay? If you are a person who is capable of taking more rigor, please take more rigor. Okay, just like that, this is not for experimenting. If you are doubtful of yourself, better take this and score a 5. Make sense? Yeah. So these are the ones that play a part. Let me know if you have any questions as well. If it is math, yes, definitely I can guide. If it is science, I can to an extent guide. Okay. Yeah. And similarly, when it comes to bio, chem, physics, you will not have time to do all APs within your high school. You don't have time, okay, because in 9th grade you do advanced bio. This is pushed on you unless you accelerate. So in 10th grade you are given advanced chemistry. So there's no way, no AP has come in till now. You see, in 11th grade you have to take AP physics 1, right, or something of that sort. Some AP you need to take. 12th grade. So these two are the years where you have space for AP. However, this is where some acceleration will help, in the sense, if you take up, let's say you accelerate this. So you can take advanced chemistry here. And then in 10th grade, you can take an AP science course. If you are into bio, take AP bio. If you are into physics, take AP physics. AP physics 1, I don't know about physics 1, physics 2. Okay, I'm not a fan of these two. But AP physics C is what is important.
Can you accelerate in chemistry, or does it have to be only bio?
It's left, meaning, see, I like bio, so I would accelerate AP bio. I would accelerate bio and go to AP bio. But if you're a chem person, do advanced chemistry in the summer. But please, if you do advanced chemistry in the summer, please don't study for the sake of passing the exam. It will never get you to AP chemistry properly.
Okay.
Study very well. There is a textbook already prescribed, right? What is that? That Chile textbook. Texas. I don't know. If you can ping me after the class, I'll tell you.
Okay.
So that textbook is for advanced chemistry, meaning the advanced honors chemistry. So if you pass, if you read through the book fully, if you understand the concepts, if you work out the problems correctly, if you are dedicated, then definitely this is possible. Okay. Once you finish advanced chemistry in the summer, you can take AP chemistry. But the sequence is always advanced bio. If you don't pass the bio, nobody is going to give you AP chemistry here. Only after finishing this, they'll give you. How do you know which is the prerequisite of what? Go to your high school catalog, take it. Go to your high school catalog. There, go to AP chemistry. In that, underneath, they will have prerequisite. This prerequisite has to be finished before you go here. Make sense? Any other questions here? You can do anything in the summer, but all depends on you. Only your drive, your initiative will speak up. Any questions? Yeah, those are the things I wanted to tell you. Any other questions? Okay. So you plan for yourself, that will really help. Okay, similarly, go to particular college websites, whichever you are interested in, understand what they are needing. Several of the colleges require, see, when you go to, let's say, okay, let me show you that as well. I know I'm wasting class time. These are things I really wanted you all to know. I don't know if you are interested or what, but it's just that I feel it's my duty to, having gone through that, I feel like it's important to tell you. Suppose, let's say you're interested in which college? Name one college that is a big one.
John Hopkins.
John Hopkins. Yeah. When you go here, right? No. See? Go here, read through this. You will have a ton of info. Okay, what do they want? Hold on. There'll be an FAQ section, right? That is really good. See, learn how to apply is here. View college planning guide is here. See, make the most of high school. See, what should you do? What will they? See, read through all this. Are you a match to this college? You'll clearly understand how to apply. What do they consider big? Everything is given here. See, deadlines, requirements. See,
Auntie,
yeah, ma.
you go to the college that you want to go, and you can go to their common data set and then go to section C6, and then it'll tell you what they require of you academically and non-academically.
Oh, that's nice. Common data set is what, Amma? That is a common app, huh?
No, you just go to your college website and then you type common data set, and then you scroll to section.
There's a college website, right? JHU. Here, where is the common data set?
You can just type common data set in the search bar.
Oh, really? Oh, here? Here directly?
You can say common data set Johns Hopkins. And then you can click the first one.
Oh, here.
Or, yeah, and then you can scroll to section C6.
Oh, wow, that's a good one. I didn't know this. See, I learn every day something from everybody. That's what I'm saying. So, basis of selection. Yeah, nice. See? Oh, wow, I didn't know this, ma. So, see here, relative importance, what they give importance to. Rigor of your secondary, the transcript that goes to your, that goes from your school, right? So, that is given very important. You see? Standardized test score is considered. It's not even important. They don't want ACT or ACT scores. Class rank, see, I told you it's so important. Academic GPA is so important. Essays are very important. How you are recommended. Think about who will recommend you. When you're in 10th itself, think of teachers who will write good about you and talk to them in advance. So they give you better recommendations. And then see, extracurriculars are important. Talent or ability, personal qualities are important. What is considered? Are you a first generation kid that's going to college? It's considered. It's not considered is the interview. Many of the colleges, some will be asked to come and interview. Some, everything is virtual, right? Will not be considered for interview. So those are all not considered. It's just an informational interview. I didn't know about the section C7, ma. So that's good learning. Thanks, Harika. Harshik, any other questions? Okay, can we go to the class now? Okay, I wanted to show you how to get the SAT question paper, sample papers, right? I have seen it in College Board. What did you want? You want for PSAT, right? No. You want for SAT, right? SAT bundle if you type. See? Full length SAT PSAT practice test. Do you see it? See, there's a lot of things in here. Do you see? Bundle 4, bundle 5, bundle 7, bundle 8. Do you see, guys? All this you can download, try it out. Okay, start one by one, then you should be good. Everything is for SAT in here. See, PSAT NMSQT is what you're going to try now. So whoever has completed Algebra 1 can definitely. PSAT 8-9 will be too easy for you guys right at this point. Whoever has completed Algebra 1 only should try these two. PSAT bundle 1 and bundle 2. But PSAT 10, I honestly don't know what is the difference between PSAT 10 and PSAT NMSQT. NMSQT is what helps you with the merit scholarship. So here is where you go. So Frisco ISD, I think they administer PSAT 10. You'll have to check. Okay, for PSAT 10 there are 2 test bundles. PSAT NMSQT there are 2 bundles. Makes sense? Make sense? And both the ACT and SAT comes with essays as well, meaning you can elect if you want to write an essay or not in the exam. I don't know. It just depends. Please ask your seniors if you should write an essay, meaning if you should opt to write an essay or not. Because in the place where I am in, everybody opted out of essay, writing the essay for ACT. So nobody wrote the essay. So none of whom I know had the essay at all. They did not write essays. Okay, any questions?
Auntie, I think they took the essay section out completely.
They took it out?
Yeah.
Okay, so see, I'm a little obsolete then, because 2020, as of 2025 it was there, I know. I don't know 2026 ma. I'm glad you're telling. Yeah, any questions? Okay, we went too much out, but I think it's okay. Okay.
Do we have a 1.5 hour class today?
Which one ma?
A 1.5 hour class.
Yeah ma, today please.
Okay.
Okay, so next week we don't have class, but then we'll continue the next week, okay? So that is why I thought I'll take the time to tell you all this. I don't know whether you wanted it or not though, okay? Maybe some inputs. Yeah. After this, you have to come and ask if you need, okay? So I don't... Do we have class today? Yes, ma, we have Abhiram. Okay, now... okay, now let's go ahead with what we discussed. Algebra 2. Okay, did you have any questions on that pages 733 to 749, guys? Okay. Okay, I really want to do sum and then only detour. Let's see this one. Abhiram, what are you doing in school?
Oh, sorry about that. We're learning about Unit 10, which is, let me just take a
Yeah,
look.
what is Unit 10? I want to know.
It's about logs, exponential functions.
Yeah, that's what we're doing. Okay. Yeah, that's what we're doing. So let's see this one. You're going to draw the graph for this one. Thing is, more than anything, right, I would like to know what happens to our points. 0, 1. What happen? You can retain points in terms of E. You don't have to change. Okay. This is a point on the parent graph. My usual question, parent graph, these are points on the parent graph. I would like to know these points on the parent graph became what points on the transformed graph. And if you can show me your graph on the video, that would be good. I would like to start some pre-calc as well, guys. I hope you're all on board with me on that idea. Are you all?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do probably from the week after next. We can get started on some of the topics, at least law of sines, law of cosines. Those all I don't have time to do now for the pre-calc kids. So we can do all that stuff.
Wait, are the law of sines and law of cosines and pre-calc the same as one in geometry?
Did I teach?
Well, for the geometry class, yes.
Oh, you know what? Some of the years I don't teach, okay? The thing is, law of sines and law of cosines, nobody teaches in geometry, okay? Sometimes, see, this year, because it depends on the kids. If you're needing it, if you say you want it, I'll teach. So what happens is this year I taught, it's exactly the same.
Okay.
Okay. The thing is, the current pre-calc kids, I have not taught them geometry. So they said, oh, I have not taught. You see what I mean? It's just the year and what the kids, if the kids say they want it, I go ahead and go over it. It's exactly the same. But remind me, Ashrita, in that law of sines and cosines, did we consider the ambiguous case?
I don't think so.
Yeah, I didn't go very intent, I feel. Okay, I don't remember though. I'll
We
have to
just
check.
did the packet with the law of sines and cosines in it.
Oh, wow. Okay. Did you get the points, ma? Chetan, you want to graph Chetan? Should I shout out?
I'm not sure how to.
Okay. So I gave the graph a function g of x equal to minus 0.5 times e power of x minus 2 minus 1. Did they teach you how to graph this, Chetan?
No, we just finished inverses, the test.
Oh, I see. I see. Okay, let me go ahead with this. Let's see. When I get to logarithms, you'll be able to follow.
Miss Priya, is my graph correct?
Give me a minute. Oh, yes. Yes, ma'am. Absolutely. Just let me know the asymptote and the transformed points.
Okay, I gave you the transform points. I'll just
1
add.
minute. I didn't check. 1 minute. I'm checking. Ashrita. Oh, wow. Ashrita, good Ashrita. Asymptote is, yeah. Ashrita, that's right. Oh, wow. Good job, Navya. Abhiram, are you able to do?
Yeah, I'm almost done, ma'am.
Uh-huh. I'll wait. No hurry, I just asked. I'm waiting, guys. Let me know if you're having trouble. You're able to graph, I'm going to move on. Oh, sorry. Abhiram, you have to shout out Abhiram. Sorry. Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
But is that right? I'll just check. Yeah, ma. Abhiram, would you mind showing me? Does it cross the asymptote? I don't think so. Show me, Abhiram. Sorry.
Like the asymptote's like -1, right?
-1, but yeah, but the graph does not cross the asymptote, right? You
Oh,
see,
does it?
everything is right, but let me show you. Here, the asymptote is y equal to -1, right? The graph should have been like this, right? In your case, I see the graph like this. You see, Abhiram? This is your graph. This is the correct graph.
Oh, okay.
Make sense?
Yep.
Graphs will never cross asymptotes, okay? But there might be some rare cases where the graphs cross asymptotes. Here it will not be the case.
Okay.
Miss Priya, can you check my graph?
Yes, absolutely, ma'am. That is correct. That is correct, ma'am. Okay. Now, can you, Harshika, did you get the transformed points, ma'am?
Yeah, I sent it to you in the chat.
Okay, Navya, what happened to this point, ma, Navya? Am I asking too much from you?
Oh, I thought I said that.
No, you didn't send the second one. That's why I'm bugging you on that.
Miss Priya, were my like transform points correct?
Why did I not check yours? Yes. Oh, that's nice to see that you're all doing great. Okay. Okay. Now, okay. So this point got transformed to 2 comma minus 1.5. This one became 3 comma
minus 0.5e minus 1.
Yep. 0.5 e minus 1, a negative sign. Any questions? Okay. Now, if you're given points, right, would you be able to graph it is another question that I have. I don't know. Let's see. I have these 2 points. Okay. I have these 2 points. 1 comma minus 2. 1 comma minus 2. The other point is 2 comma 3 minus 5. 2 comma 3 minus 5. Those are the 2 points. Okay. Y equal to minus 5. Right?
Is that 3e minus 0.5 or just minus 5?
Which one, ma'am? Sorry. Okay, I'm not clear, right? Sorry about it. 3e minus 5. Does it make it clear? Sri Charan, did I understand your question, Sri Charan?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So now, this is my graph. Would you be able to write the function in the format a times e power of x minus h plus k? See, I'm not asking you for any horizontal stretch or compression. So what you can do, I'm just asking you to write it in terms of vertical stretch and compression. Try. If you're finding it tough, you can let me know. I'll do. Do you get it? Is it hard or doable, guys? K is the asymptote, right? Yeah.
Miss Priya, can you check my answer, please?
Wow. That is perfectly right. Harshika. That is perfectly right. Yeah, I think you all got a hang of general transformations nicely. Do you want me to do? Please let me know. Abhiram, why you had the question, do we have class? Did I confuse you?
No, my mom said we didn't have it, and
Next
then
week we don't have.
and she
Next
did.
week, yeah. Next week we don't have the class.
Okay.
My answer correct.
Yes, Sri Charan, I already verified. Was your soccer going, Sri Charan? Happily doing that?
Going good. We had our last game, but we lost to Green.
Oh, that's okay.
Could
It's a part of the game. Oh, what is it?
we could have won it too. So
Oh, it was easy. It was okay. Frustrating loss. It's okay. Now, yeah, that's correct. Now, Abhiram, do you need help or you're done? Or I can wait if it's taking time.
I'm almost.
Yeah, I'll wait. Okay, let me see this one. Maybe I'll do this. Why waste time writing the problem, right? Oh, wow. Let me do this for you so that we don't waste time on that. Done, guys? Okay. Let me go ahead and give you this problem.
Wait, Miss Priya, can you check my answer?
I thought I checked yours already. Did
Oh,
I
I
not?
did it.
I don't think I did it right. How? No, you did it right.
I did.
No. The thing is, you changed your answer, huh?
No, I never sent my answer for this one.
I see. But
But it looks wrong. But
it looks wrong to me too. Why it looks wrong? What is that 3e power of x minus 2? What is that?
I don't know. I got a equals 3e, and I don't know how I got
Oh,
it.
you got a equal to 3. Oh, that seems wrong. Yeah, I got what you're saying. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it together. See, there is no horizontal compression or stretch here, right? So what I can do is I can take this as this. Okay. So, but h, right? The point that's nearest to x coordinate of the point nearest to the asymptote I can take as 1. Okay. So my f of x function or y becomes a e power of x minus 1. Abhiram, did you get it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's correct. Nice. Okay, so minus 5. Okay, now having said that, right, xy points, I have another one, right? Why don't I use that? Or I can't use this because I already used this. So I'll go ahead with 2, 3 minus 5. 2 is this, right? 3 minus 5 is this one. 3 minus 5 will be equal to a e power of 1 minus 5. Minus 5 goes off. 3e will be equal to a e. E and e will get cancelled. A is equal to 3. Now I substitute 3 e power of x minus 1 minus 5. Did you get it, Ashrita?
Yeah, I think I just
Yeah, you didn't cancel.
the e.
Yeah, I saw that. Okay, now I have one different question for you guys. Let's see. I want to go to logarithm somehow as fast as I can. Let's see whether we are able to. How about this? What happened? Yeah, I got it. Okay. this one I want to move. Okay, so oh my god, what is this? Give me a minute, guys. Yeah, that's better. Okay, you can use calculator or not use calculator, okay, but this is your question. The Nike index is a stock market index for the Tokyo Stock Exchange. The Nike 225 index for the period 1990 to 2010 can be modeled using this, where T is the number of years after 1990. Now determine how many years after 1990 Nike index will reach 15,000. I'll wait, guys. You can use the calculator. Okay, this is a test for you to see whether you're able to use the calculator and do these problems correctly. The numbers are a little hard, definitely. Let me know if you need help. But that's a growth problem, right? Or a decay problem. I don't know what is that. Oh, that's a decay problem. Yeah, it's a decay problem. How do you say that it's a decay problem? The initial was 23,500. They're asking for 15,000. See, that itself tells you that it's a decay problem. Did we discuss choosing among linear, quadratic and exponential function models? Did we discuss that, how to choose between linear, exponential and quadratic models?
We didn't do it in class, but
you studied for the exam?
Yeah.
See, basically when there is a common difference in the data, then it is linear. Common ratio, it's exponential. When the second difference is the same, it's quadratic models. I'll show you one or two.
Does the years have to be a whole number or can it be like a decimal?
Honestly, I don't know. I'm checking. It is a whole number, but they're asking for what is the rate of growth or depreciation? See, that is the actual question. It's not given there fully. See, after finding the years, right, you also find find the rate of growth or depreciation as a percentage in percentage value. I'll wait, guys. You can use a calculator, but if you're stuck, immediately let me know. Let's not wait more. Harshika, what do you do in school, ma, right now? Logarithms, exponentials?
We're doing rational functions right now.
Oh, rational functions. Okay. Is it easy, ma?
Yeah, it's easy.
Okay. Are you using what we learned, Amma?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, good. Oh, nice, guys. Ma, 11, why 11? That percentage is right, but 11, see, that is correct, Sri Charan.
I didn't put a percentage.
Yeah?
I didn't put a percentage.
No. The years you have given, right? Time.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is right, actually. But Ashrita, why did you take it as 11? The years, are you getting 11 or 11 points? See, you have to be very careful with the rounding. See, the thing is, you want to check again? Navya, something went wrong, Navya. Yeah, Harshika, that seems right. Okay, Ashrita, you might want to check the years now. Okay, years doesn't seem wrong, but somewhere your rounding seems wrong. Navya, do you want me to do it? Abhiram, did you do or do you want me to do it? Either way, I'm fine.
You said the years was a whole number, so I took that.
Even if it is a whole number, you have to round up, right? Not down.
Yeah, okay.
See, that's where I feel like something is wrong in your answer. I don't know what it is still.
Wait, but if I round up to 10, that would be in the 1600.
No, ma. Okay, let's do this. 15,000 by 23,500 is what? E power of minus 0.0381 t.
That's 0.63829.
What is this?
0.63829.
Will be equal to e power of, this is what you did, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the x basically. So did you put this in the calculator?
Yeah.
What was your t value?
Oh, I got 10 now.
Okay, so let's do it. Let's do it in the
Yeah,
calculator.
aren't you supposed to use like ln?
I I don't know how you guys did it. That's why I wanted to know. Okay, yes, you're supposed to use ln. That's true. Okay, but you don't have to convert to logs. I've not introduced to logs, right? So in the class we have not discussed ln. Ln is what you need to use because the base is e. But then you don't have to convert to logs. You can solve this as it is. Let me show you. You should know both, okay? Sometimes you might want to check, right? Let me take a screenshot. So I can stop share. Let me go to TA84. Let me write this down here. Abhiram, did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
the thing is here, let's see, TA84 calculate. See, using the calculator is also a skill. Start TA84 calculator. Okay, you have it here. 0.63829. I can share my screen. I don't want you to have more mistakes there. Let's see. I'll share my TA84 screen. Okay, what I have here is, I will write down. I know this takes time, right? I also hit it. 0.63829. 0.63829 will be equal to, what did I have? Minus 0.0381t. Minus 0.0381t. This is what I have now. Let's check. See, the thing is, mode you need to be careful every time. Radian degree, that is okay. Whatever. And then what other modes is important to check? Classic, parametric, polar, function. Yeah. See, I don't want a parametric or a polar graph. Sequence is better. Now I go to the y equal to, what is this, guys? Oh, I don't want sequence and mode. Let me go. What did I make a mess on? Okay, now y equal to graph 0.63829 point. This is the way to do. And then you go to y1 e power of, right? Where is e in the calculator? I have to check. Oh, yeah, here we go. E power of minus. This minus you need to use 0.0381t. 0.0381x. Yeah, graph. This is really messy, right? So what I do, I go to window. Y I need to have y min, y max is okay, but y SCL, can I make it as 0.2? Graph. Still, it's a lot of mess. So I go to window. X SCL, can I make it 2? And then y min is minus 10. Y max is 10. I don't want 10 now. Okay. Graph. Still, it's sort of messy. So I don't know how is the graph going at all. So e power of minus means it's going to go, it's an exponentially decaying graph. So let me go to window. What is that graph? Okay, I don't want the negative part. Okay, negative part seems messy. So I don't want this at all. So let it be a minus 2 here. I'll go and say minus 2. Okay, x max doesn't have to be a 10. Okay, here x SCL, y min doesn't have to be a minus 10, so it can be a minus 2. Enter. Graph. The graph is coming a little bit better. Now I want to see the right part of the graph, right? So window, x SCL can be like 5. Let me go to the graph. Still so messy. Window, x SCL maybe. You can as well help me, guys. 50. Graph. What is this, guys? Window, x SCL maybe 500. Graph. What is going on, guys? So I need to the right side of the graph, right? Window, let me increase it a little bit. X minus minus 2, max 2000 or 20,000. How about this? This is, let's say 1000. How about the graph? Oh wow. How did you all get? Did you get the graph properly?
No, I just used the table.
Oh, a table? How did you use a table?
You just go second graph and you can see the table.
Second graph? Oh, here you saw. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so you saw when did it attain that T? How
Yeah.
did you get it? Meaning, Oh,
Like I plugged in the original. I plugged in the original equation. 23,500 e to the power of minus 0.0381x.
Go here.
And I got
this one.
Yeah. No, I didn't plug in this one. I put in like the first one, the original equation.
Yeah, I see it, ma. For me, both the y1 is a constant, y2 is my original equation.
Yeah.
So you're saying 10 years?
No, I got 11.
See, that's a problem, right? Let's go to the graph. That's where I want the graph to be proper. Let's see. So let's see. Okay, if you go to the table, right, you get an idea of where it is. Okay, great. But it is 6382, right? 63, right? So it is 12, right? Meaning 63 means after 11 before 12, right? You want me to enlarge it? This is the maximum. 638 is between 11 and 12. Do you see?
Yeah.
So it should be 12. Then only it reaches, right? Meaning till 11 it doesn't reach. It's 6576. But 63829 comes only between 11 and 12. So you should go up, right? Make sense? Or I really want to see it in graph. So basically the graph value in 12 years, right? So let's see, guys. It should be doable. X max is, let's say 20. Okay, XSCL is 1. Y min, Y max is, see, Y min is, okay. Yeah, this is good actually. See, there is a point where they intersect, right? What can I do is YSCL, I'll make it a little more. YSCL, let's say 0.5. See, that's a better graph. Again, I go YSCL, I can put it out as 1. Let's see. That's not great, but then you know what I'll do? I'll go to calc, intersect. That gives me first curve, second curve, guess. See, 11.78 intersection. This is the best way to find out the answers. Abhiram, did you get 11.78?
Yeah.
So it's 12 years. So this is the best way to find out the intersections. Can I move on?
Auntie, can you show me one more time?
Yeah, sure, ma. I like this idea. See, so many ideas come up. Every day I learn something from somebody. So she's saying, see, second table, that was also a good deal. Here I went ahead and did this as a function, this as a function. Type this as a function. This is a constant function. This is an exponential function. I typed it as 2. So the second function was my real function, y2. So when I went to the table, she's saying, yeah, I can equate the function to 63829. When I go to the table, yes. See, 63829, where does it come? Between 11 and 12. You see, between 11 and 12, my y2's value is 63829. So it is after 11, before 12. So that can be the answer. That's great. But if you want the exact value, right, I go to graph. I want to find the intersection. First, position the window in such a way. Suppose if you're doubtful, right, how to position the window. This gave me a clear clue. In the table, right, I wanted my y values to be 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8. X value to be 1 to 13. So I put my window to be x min is 1 to 20 is enough. 1 to, let's say 15 is enough. Okay, so I'll be able to visibly see things. Okay, this can be 0.5. Then I go to y min. Y min can be so small, right? So I'll start from minus 0.5. Okay, I can start from minus, let me see, I can start from minus 0.5. It's going to be, then y max is 2. Yeah, 2 I don't need, 1.5 is enough. Okay, now YSCL is, it needs to be 0.7, let's say, graph. I have that intersection there, do you see? So how to find that intersection? I go to second calc, I go to intersect. See, intersect, what it is doing is, it will always ask for the first curve, second curve. Meaning, between these two lines, it is trying to find the intersection. So, first curve is this, it's saying. Okay, second curve, it will always ask for the second one. Enter, enter if you press, right? It will always ask. Second curve. Second curve is where? See, second curve is 8. Do you want me to find it between? Let me erase this so that you can see. See? Oh, okay. Okay, this horizontally it's asking. So it is trying to find the intersection between this line and this line. See, between that it's going to find the intersection. Yes, tell it yes, I want it between that. Guess. Finally, y equal to 0.63829 is attained when x is equal to 11.7. Make sense?
Yeah, I understand. Thank you.
Shall I move on? So this is one way to use calculators and find. Okay, now let's go. Okay, the percentage was something around 30. What was the percentage? 3.7, I think.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Let's move on. I really want to move on this. Yeah, I'm not going to fit graphs. Okay. So I'm going to move on to logarithmic functions. Okay. So how to write an exponent to a log? Okay. Let's see. B power of x is equal to a. This is an exponential function, correct? So now how are we going to change to basically exponential function is this. Okay. When you graph on a graph, right, you just mirror it, meaning you just reflect it on the line y equal to x, you get your inverse function, right? This I can call it exponential, this I call it as logarithmic function. Okay, so exponential and logarithmic functions are basically inverses. Just like square, the inverse is square root of x, right? So like that, exponential function is this. How do I change it to a logarithmic function? Remember, the base is always the same in an exponential and a logarithmic function. Okay, so when I change it, right, how I change it? I'll say logarithmic function. I'll change the base as b. Base is always the same. Okay, however, the x value will become your y. Remember, the domain will become the range in inverse functions. X value will become here x. X value will become the y. But then this is logarithm of a base b equal to x. Am I making sense? So b power of x is equal to a or y. This was my exponential function, right? In logarithmic function, this x becomes your inverse function, log function. But the base is always the same, log base b, right? And then what should I take log on? Log y base b equal to x. This is how I change. Make sense? Here the base is never equal to 1. Base is greater than 0. You have to remember this in logarithmic functions. Now let me quickly ask you these things. How about this? 3 power of 3 is 243. When I change it to log, right, base is always the same. I change it to logarithmic function base 3, right? The answer is always my exponent. But log 243 base 3 is 3. Make sense? This is how I change exponential to log functions. How about this? 1 by 5 power w equal to v. This is an exponential function. Can you change it to a log function in Sen? Logarithmic function in Sen? Let me know, guys, if you find it tough. I'm here to help you. Can I help? Did you get it? I got only one answer. I'm a little sad, but please do. Log. Oh. Sricharan, can you educate me? How did you do the meaning? What have you written there?
Log, like, and then the base of 0.2, and then like on top of it, the v equals to w.
Oh, so the base was 0.2, correct? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Abhiram, did you get that?
Yeah.
So basically this is log, the base is the same. I'll write it as a logarithmic function, base is the same. Answer is always my exponent. This is v. Makes sense? So let's move on. This one is an easy one. Okay, let's go ahead with this. Okay, this is a difficult question. I don't know. Let's see. Suppose if I give you f of x, it's a logarithmic function. Log base is 10, log x base 10. I want you to find out f of 1000. See how I find out? X should be replaced with 1000. So basically just that. F of 1000 is what they want. So I'm replacing x by 1000. Log base 10. Log 1000 base 10. That's how it's read. You always read it as log 1000 base 10. Now, we don't know. I don't know how to find out logarithm. Right? So I'll change it to exponential function here. Okay. So it's given as this. Now exponential function means, how do I change it? Base is the same, right? So 10 power y equal to 1000. What is that 1000? 10 power 3. 10 power y equal to 10 power 3 means y is equal to 3. That means f of 1000 is equal to a 3. Does it sound good? Now let's see this one. I'll give you two problems in this. I'll move on from there, okay? Log x base half. Find f of 1 by 32, f of 2 root 2. Both questions, number 1, number 2. Do you think you can find out? Change it to exponential functions and then it's easy to calculate. Guys, if you're stuck, you have to let me know quickly. I don't know. Let me know, guys. If you're stuck, you have to let me know. Let me know if you need help. Oh wow. Nice, Ashrita. Your practice speaks. Sricharan, is that right? Did you send the answer?
Yeah.
That doesn't seem right to me. So basically, Harshika, are you doing? You need help. Navya, you need help. Abhiram, how about you?
I got the first one, but I need help on the second.
No problem. For the first one, what answer did you get?
I got 5.
Yeah, that's correct. F of 1 by 32, right? I'm going to substitute x as 1 by 32. So log 1 by 32 like this, right? The thing is, this is y. I'll write it out as y, okay? Log 1 by 32. Now, if I write it as an exponential function, right? Half power y will be equal to 1 by 32. Please write your composite number as prime power. So this is 2 power 5. So 1 by 2 power y will be equal to y equal to 5, Sricharan. Did you get that?
I see like that wrong.
No problem. As long as you learn, that's fine. Now let's go ahead and do this one. See, these things become so important when you come to pre-calc, 100%, because rational function, polynomial function, exponential function, logarithmic functions, all the 4 will get repeated. Repeated in the sense the depth will be different. Here, f of 2 root 2 will be equal to log. I'll substitute, instead of x, I'll substitute 2 root 2. But then I know how to write it out, right? How? This is y. Okay. So half power y will be equal to 2 root 2. It's such a mess here. Do you see? Meaning, let me write it as a negative power. 1 by 2 is 2 power of minus 1. So this is power of powers. So that will be 2 power of minus y will be equal to, what is this? 2 power of 1 times 2 power of half. 1 plus half is 3 by 2, right? So 2 power of 3 by 2. Now, but minus y is 3 by 2. Y will be equal to minus 3 by 2. Any questions?
Wait, Miss Priya, is it fine if I solved it like the logarithm way? I just solved it using log.
You put it in the calculator?
Yeah. I did it both ways. I used the calculator to check my answer.
It's okay to do it in the calculator, okay? Given the fact that you are allowed to take the calculator for SAT, I can't say don't do. But at the same time, converting to exponential function should be in the brain at any time, that's all.
I did both. I used it to check my answer.
Yes, definitely you can do. Meaning checking is what you can do, right? Because they allow you to take the calculator. So why not be on the safe end?
Okay.
Any questions? Harshika, did you get it, ma?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Yeah, Abhiram got it. Okay, now looks like you're good. Okay, then one complex problem, but that will move on. F of x equal to log x base 1 by 3. Now I would like you to try f of 9 root 3. That's all. We'll then move on. Okay, so you need to understand the difference between log and ln. Yeah, then more word problems I need to give. Then transformation is easy since you understood already. Oh, and then expansion. Yeah, that is quite important. Let me see, guys. I want to give you harder SAT type problems for the logarithms. I don't want to be reliant on this. Let me see. Right, Ashruta. Yes, Manavya, correct. Okay, I wanted to get you problems, right? I'm detoured. I don't know. Okay. Let me see some hard problems on logarithms. Navya correct, ma. Abhiram correct. Harshika correct. So I think we can move on then. Who did not get? Abhiram did. Yeah, you got it. Navya, you got it. Sricharan. Sricharan, not 9. How did you get a 9? That puts me off, Sricharan. How did you get a 9?
I was kind of confused, but
You're confused. Okay, no problem. Okay, we can quickly do. Y will be equal to log x base 1 by 3, right? Now 1 by 3 power y, right, will be equal to x. What is that x? You're going to substitute 9 root 3. 9 root 3 is 3 square 3 power of 1 by 2. It's multiplication with the same base, right? So you add the exponents, right? But 1 by 3, 3 on this side. That doesn't work as well. So you push it up, you have a negative exponent. Okay, 3 5 by 2. Now 3 power of minus y is 3 power of 5 by 2. Minus y equal to 5 by 2. Y will be equal to minus 5 by 2. Make sense? Okay. Let's go ahead and do a few word problems. Where am I on that? Sorry guys, give me a minute guys. Okay. Okay, how would this? Let me give you an easy problem maybe. How about this? The decibel level D of a sound is modeled by the equation this, where I is the intensity of sound and IO is the threshold intensity of human hearing. If an audio engineer increases the intensity of the speaker system by a factor of 1000, oh wow, by how much does the decibel level of the system increase? Not a hard one guys, but it's just plugging in. Let's see. Oh, it's a little tricky. Let's see, a tiny bit tricky. I use the threshold intensity of human hearing. If an audio engineer increases the intensity of a speaker system by a factor of 1000, oh, that's a little definitely tricky. I don't know. Let's see. Did you get? It's not hard, but it's plugging in values. I just want you to try. you get it? Guys, you're struggling, then let me know. Or you're good, let me know. Oh wow, that's nice, Ashita. That's right. How did you do that?
So I divided by 10 on both sides to get y over 10 equals log 10.
Let's see. 10 log I by I0. Okay. So you divided by 10 on both sides.
And then I plugged in the value of I as 1000.
1000 I, right?
Yeah.
1000 I. Instead of I, you plugged in 1000 I, right?
Yes. Then I to the power I0 is basically 1. So I just so it's 1. So I did it was log base 10. So I did 10 to the power of y over 10 equals 1000 over 1.
10 power of y over 10 will be equal to
1000 over 1. And then I rewrote 1000 as 10 to the power of 3.
Nice.
And then I solved y over 10 equals 3, making y equal 30.
Y equal to 30.
And then that's the value of the decimal. So it's like increase.
Yeah, this is one way, that's fine. See, okay. But after here, right, I would do it like this. I know what is I by I0, right? Logarithms, right? So basically this is logarithms. So what can I do? I can write down it as 1000 and then plus logarithms. If you multiply two numbers, 1000 and I by I0, I can multiply, then I can write it out as addition. So I by I0, right? Y by 10. Now
why can't we just cancel the I out? Because isn't I0 basically 1? So wouldn't it just be 1 over 1?
You can, Amma. You can, but I0, who said it's 1?
Oh, I don't get what the 0 means in I.
Which one? I0 is the threshold of human hearing, meaning threshold intensity.
I don't get what the 0 part of it means. Is it like how f of x is, or?
Come again?
I don't get how the O part of it. I don't get what that means.
IO part of it doesn't matter. Meaning we just know that the decibel level of a sound is modeled by this equation is what we know. So we are increasing I by 1000 means we make it as 1000 I. After making it as 1000 I, how will our
I got to that. I just got to the last step.
How will our decibel change? Meaning, let's say this we call it as let's say we call it as D1. This is decibel 1. How will this change? So I will do it like this. Let's see. This is equal to 10 log. I'm going to change it as 1000 I by I0, but still I can write it out as 10 log 1000. Base is 10. Okay. Then log, what happened here? Log I by I0, right? So you can add it, right? Meaning when it is multiplied, when there are two numbers that are multiplied and are logged, you can split them and write it out as log 1000, this number, plus log I by I0. Now this already becomes 10 times log I by I0 is D1. Okay. D1 plus this. Right? So that will be equal to your Y value, new decibel value. Let's say D2. That's your new decibel value after increasing I by a factor of 1000. So what happens here? 10 power of this, what is this? Log 1000 base 10. What is it? Is it 30? Is it 30? 10 power of x? Yeah. So this is 10. This is 10 log. This is 10 log 1000 base 10, then 10 log I by I0. 10 log I by I0 is your original D1. This is your original decibel plus this. So basically 10 times log 10 of 1000. I can equate it to a function y, and I can say 10 power of y will be equal to 1000. So y is equal to 3. So 10 times 3 plus D1. So my new decibel value will be equal to 30 plus your original decibel. So that is an increase of 30. What I don't understand in the way you're doing, Ashrita, is you're getting y equal to 3, right?
No, I got y equals to 30.
Y equal to 30, right?
Yeah.
But I feel that's not right? Meaning, where did this go? Meaning, for getting the answer, great, but then I don't see where did this go. 30, it increased by 30. It's not 30, right?
Yeah, I said it increases to
It
30.
increases by 30. But I think you're assuming I0 is 1, right? So you're getting
Yeah,
that
that's
value.
what I
That's fine.
thought.
Yeah. You're assuming I0 to be I, correct?
Yeah.
How do I? Okay, so did you get it, guys? This is a hard problem, no doubt. Abhiram, did you understand this?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do one thing, guys. I'll give you problems in the book, okay? But I'll limit the number of problems. I will add a little bit of SAT practice problems for logarithms this week. Okay, any questions for me? Okay, shall we stop here? I'll stop here, but I'll add some SAT based problems for logarithms this week, okay?
Okay.
Okay, guys. See you all week after next.
Thank you so much.
Bye,
Bye.
guys.
Bye.
Bye, guys.